Let me go down this little Beco das Caixas. Down here, there's a they blocked the street off for pedestrian traffic, but because there's so much, it's quite popular, and so they blocked a lot of it, so we can't actually go to it. We have to go all the way around to Sao Paulo ruins, Central Square. So it's a little bit of a hike. So we're just going to take some back routes, including this Caixa one, but there's a lot of people around, and that's going to be our focus right there, down this one. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're going to be following all these people down this way, but yeah, basically that's closed. We're actually talking about that right now. Nobody can go to that spot, so we have to go down that way, and we're going to try to do some alleys. So let's go check everything out. But we're kind of in these areas where we're kind of down by Pont 16, it's down that way, and that whole pedestrian street is blocked off, and it's pretty cool. There's a lot of activities going on down there. So you ready? Let's go down this way. So we're gonna head down Beco das Caixas, and it's actually kind of an opportunity for me to show off some other little alleys. And in the distance you can see I often hear more than you'd think. You wouldn't think I would be coming down this little alley, but actually it's kind of refreshing because there's no... Hey. What's in your mouth? Throw it down. Okay. I just saw him pick something off the ground and put it in his mouth, so he's autistic, so I usually don't put that in film, but I don't want anything in his mouth either. So okay, so anyways, we're walking down this kind of cool little alley. Let's see if I can get something for him to eat, because I think he's kind of gonna go a little bit stir crazy. He eats a lot. Anyways, I'm getting off of my straight focus. There's a lot to see, so we're gonna look for some places for him just to get something so he doesn't pick stuff off the ground like that. I don't want him doing that. So the incense, the smell of incense is nice. I think this is mystery noodles. I think this might be let me see what this is exactly. Let's see. Hello. Hello. Let me see. I think they got some noodles in here, so let's see what they got. Yeah, I think they saw something called mystery noodles as well. You're on camera. Sorry, buddy. Come here. Give me a hug. Sorry. I don't mean to make you embarrassed. Okay. Come here. Give me. You want to get some? You're probably so hungry. You want something to eat, right? Hello. Okay, let's make you part of this one too. And my cool little boy. He's actually a really sweet boy. And we're kind of walking around some alleys, and he's been a little bit tired because he has to follow around his dad, and his dad likes filming a lot, and his dad likes to walk around a lot, so he's kind of he's got my mercy sometimes. Anyways, and I think he's kind of a little bit tired because I don't know about other people, but you know, when you work all week and you kind of need some kind of outlet, and for me it's kind of nice just to kind of get out and walk around and bring the camera with me, film a little bit. So so he comes with me, of course, because it's the way that it goes. Let me see. He might actually like some noodles here. You like some of these noodles? You like anything in there? What's up? That. You like this one? Or this one? How about this one? How about that one? You like that one? You like the eggs? You like the hot dog? So you want to get that one? That's gonna make you happy, right? Get some food in you? Okay, well let's go get that one. So he wants that one, and maybe I'll get something too. So actually, I think I might try that one maybe. It's a good choice. Okay, so this is our alley, and we're gonna film continuing more in a moment. He's telling me to be quiet. He's been listening to me talk all day, so he said be quiet. Okay, so that's our alley. So we're gonna get some food here, and then we're gonna walk further down that alley. You said that one. You're gonna get that one's yours. I guess I didn't film that. So this is actually like I think that's like little lemongrass. It kind of feels a little bit like Vietnamese, a little bit, which I really like a lot. His is more like Macanese because it has more like the sausage. You had an egg with it. These noodles. So yeah. Anyways, then we got outside as well. So people are still kind of coming down that alley, and we're going to be coming down that alley ourselves after we eat. Okay, so this is the alley that we just are going to be walking down right now. So, all right, let's just kind of see. There's lots of people coming in. I think the reason they're coming in is because they can't get into the pedestrian street and check it all out because it's a block only through this one area. So me and the boy are going to go down this way. We're going to go down that way. We just had this restaurant here. And we're heading on down this way, and we're gonna go to San Malo, and then we can try to go in. So I think I'll keep all of this on the camera all the way to San Malo. But actually, this one was called Travessa das Caixas. We're in that restaurant, and now it's the lighting changed a little bit, so I have a different setting. Actually, there's a lot of people here, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk. It's turned into a pedestrian street. Huh. So actually this is all one big pedestrian street now. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah, actually this kind of really transforms everything. Let me just kind of come back around this way. Yeah, this is interesting. So maybe they told us we had to go through San Malo and through this area, but with all the people going this way, but we don't need to. That's Beco das Caixas. That was the alley that we just did. But we're basically walking down this street, which is also turned into a pedestrian street now. So that little Caixas, of course, is a pedestrian one. This is a, usually this one has cars going down it, but they can't come up it. That's really changed. Yeah, and it looks like they blocked it, so we can't go in this way. We have to go around like that. So they have a certain system set up. So anyways, we were on Beco das Caixas, and because we were kind of describing the situation, I want to bring the camera all the way around so we can kind of adequately see it. Yeah, there's the, it's all the way down that way. That's kind of interesting. That means that if you're in that street and you go out of the pedestrian street, you can't get back in. So that could be a problem if they do it long term, because of course people want to be able to use that and go in and out. Stuck behind a ton of people right here. Okay. So straight ahead is New Year's stuff. So we're gonna go all the way to the right once we get around here. Oops. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see what this is all about. So they got like little stuff here. That's kind of cool. So this is the front part. So this is actually the Chinese New Year stuff, and this is our busy street. So we're gonna do a separate street just of this one, and it looks pretty busy. So yeah, that was basically Caixas, and then this one is the one that we're going to go down, and we can only come in this way apparently. go. So it's all pedestrian today. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. So we just ordered that little Caixas one. Excited? Really excited. Okay. No, we're gonna be going down this one. We're gonna do a separate video down that way. So hang tight. You have to keep hanging out with me because I want to see the street. Okay, buddy? Okay? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna end this one right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la